Okay, so good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Ms. Sarah.
Take your seats. Okay, very good. So this afternoon, we will be having another lesson. And this is about Lesson 3, Event Small Talk. So yesterday, we discussed about what? What is our lesson yesterday? Information. Asking
From interview.
Very good. Asking information. So it is very important for a person to ask information again. Why do we need to ask information? It is because we need to learn something from that person, or we need to learn something from the others. We do not expect that we knew everything, because nothing in this world knows everything. So we really have to ask questions. Okay, so this afternoon I will be giving you another script, and this is lesson number 3, script number 3. So last Monday I have given you the first script, and that is about introduction, and that is a way of introducing yourself. The second topic is about, the script number 2 is about
Asking for information.
Very good. Asking for
Information.
And this time, we will be dealing about lesson number 3, and that's event small talk. Okay, so when we say small talk, okay, a small talk is actually a very light, and a casual conversation. It does not entail any topic. Light means anything, any topic out of the blue. Okay, you can discuss any topic as you wish to. Okay, so that is what we mean by small talk. And this is actually an informal type of discourse, an informal type of communication. So when you say small talk, you can just talk any topic that you wish to. May it be your hobbies, the weather, the electricity, your classmates, your teachers, any topic. And it is an informal conversation. It doesn't cover any functional topics. It doesn't cover any important topic. That is a small talk. And a small talk can also be called as chit-chat. Okay? From the word itself, chit-chat, a small talk, a very light conversation. Okay? So this type of conversation aims to find common ground. It enables you to establish it enables you to establish shared interest. It enables you to communicate freely and confidently. Okay, that is what we call by small talk. So now we are going to learn small talk. From introducing yourself, you already know the person that you are talking to, and from asking information or asking questions, you are there to start a small talk. Okay, so I have here, okay, this is actually the script. The script is quite very long. Okay, for me it's quite long. For you, you have to familiarize the script again, because along the way, during our quizzes, I will be asking you to give me script number 1, or you tell me script number 2, or you tell me script number 3. So you have to familiarize all the scripts that I will be giving you, because these scripts will be very helpful as you go and learn the English language. Okay? This will give you a hint. This will give you a guide on what are you supposed to say when you are there conversing the English language. Okay? So I will show you how to do this. Okay, so there are 2 characters in the script. I place 1 and 2. Okay, so here it goes. Hi, Mary. Oh, hi. How are you doing? I'm doing all right. How about you? Not too bad. The weather isn't great, isn't it? Yes, it's absolutely beautiful today. I wish it was like more frequently. Me too. So, where are you going now? I'm going to meet a friend of mine at the department store. Going to do a little shopping? Yeah, I have to buy some presents for my parents. What's the occasion? It's their anniversary. That's great. Well, you better keep going. You don't want to be late. I'll see you next time. Sure. Bye. All right. Okay. So, it is a small talk. Why? Because the two characters here just met in a coincidence, and they were talking about the weather, that the weather is beautiful. Okay, and number 1 here is asking character number 2, where is she going? And then character number 2 explains that she will go to the mall because she will buy presents for her parents because it's her parents' anniversary. So chit chat or small talk is just a small discourse, a casual and a light conversation. So when you are already confident to the one you are talking to, you can start a small conversation. You can start a small talk. Okay? All right. Okay. So I will be giving you time to copy first. Copy everything. And then later, you will work in pair again. And you will share how will you deliver the script in front. Am I clear? Yes. Okay. Thank you very much.